Welcome to Health Planner YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to talk about how to make lavender lemonade to help with headaches and anxiety. So before starting this video, like this video and subscribe to the Health Planner channel for future updates. It's nearly impossible to remain stress-free at all times. It can be found almost anywhere, in the office, at home, even when you go out for a drink with your friends. In today's society, many people suffer from anxiety and headaches on a daily basis, and some people even suffer from both conditions. What coping mechanism do you employ to deal with your anxiety? Some people enjoy a cup of coffee, while others smoke cigarette, and still others enjoy a glass or two of red wine, whiskey. However, even though these behaviors provide a temporary solution, the underlying problem remains unabated. Is it possible that using essential oils to address your issue will be beneficial to you? More than 150 active constituents are found in lavender oil, and its potent antidepressant, anti-inflammatory, and sedative agent, among other things. A large number of studies have demonstrated that lavender essential oil is extremely effective in treatment of a wide range of medical conditions. In clinical trials, it has been shown to have excellent results in the treatment of insomnia, alopecia, anxiety, stress, and post-operative pain. According to the University of Maryland Medical Center, several studies on lavender have been conducted in order to determine its antibacterial and antiviral properties, among other things. As reported by the University of Florida, lavender oil is effective in treating anxiety and lowering heart rate, according to their research. In order to help patients prepare for surgery, lavender-based aromatherapy was administered before the procedure. This helped patients relax and reduce their stress levels before the procedure. In addition to promoting better sleep at night, lavender oil also has a calming effect on the body. Some of the benefits that lavender essential oil can provide include the following. Both toddlers and adults benefit from this treatment since it increases pain tolerance. It has demonstrated excellent effectiveness in women who suffer from depression and anxiety while undergoing dialysis treatment. Administration of lavender oil through the nose decreases anxiety while increasing attentiveness. Hospitals benefit from the use of lavender essential oil since it boosts mood and promotes a healthy work environment. It helps patients in intensive care units who are stressed and anxious to great extent. We recommend that you try a glass of lavender lemonade. It's quick and simple to make, and it will do wonders to your health. There are several conditions that lavender lemonade can alleviate, and we have listed a few of them: inflammation, headache, depression or anxiety, high blood pressure, insomnia or difficulty falling asleep. There are numerous alternative applications for lavender essential oil, including antifungal. Use it to treat fungal diseases of the skin and nails. Antiseptic. Removes germs and other microbes from the skin surface. The antibacterial agent destroys and inhibits the growth of microorganisms. Anti-inflammatory. This medication helps to reduce inflammation in many places of the body. Antimicrobial. A substance that kills or suppresses harmful germs. Antispasmodic. This medication relieves spasms, muscles. Analgesic. A medication that relieves pain. Detoxifier. Removes toxins from the bloodstream and purifies the liver and kidneys. The following is a recipe for lavender lemonade that's sure to please your taste buds. It has a sweet and tangy flavor with a tinge of sweetness provided by honey. Drink it throughout the day to reap the benefit of its incredible effects. Ingredients to make lavender lemonade are 1 cup of unprocessed honey, 12 quarts of distilled water, lavender essential oil about 1 drop, a total of 6 lemons. Garnish with sprigs of lavender, optional. Preparation: 6 lemons should be peeled and juiced. Combine all of the ingredients in a mixing bowl and taste to see whether it's to your preference. And you're done. What do you think about this video? Do let us know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from us again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go.